Hello students, good morning. Till now we have learned that plants increase in number using different methods like seeds through their stems, roots and also leaves. And we have learned in detail about seeds, like their parts and how they germinate and what conditions they need to germinate, and also about seed dispersal. And today we are going to learn about how we grow plants for food. So I think you very well know about different uses of plants, like how we use them for food, clothing, shelter, and to meet many other necessities of life. And we must agree that without plants, life on earth is not possible. While we can talk on this topic for many hours, let us quickly jump into our lesson for today, which is how we grow plants for food. When we grow plants for food and to earn money, they are called as crops. And crops are plants of same kind that are grown in particular area in a particular season. And not all crops are grown in one season, but they are grown in different seasons. I think you know the different seasons we have in India, like summer season, rainy season and winter season. So let us see, so what crops we grow in which areas and also in which seasons. And the examples of kharif crops are rice, wari, bajra, sajjalu, jowar, jodnalu, and mokkajonna, which is maize, and also cotton. You know cotton, right? So these are the examples of kharif crops. And next we'll see about the other type of crops, which is rabi crops. Rabi crops are the crops which are sown during winter season and are harvested during summer season, like in the months of April or June. And the examples of rabi crops are wheat, goduma, and grams like minuvulu, pesalu, different types of grams. And then peas. Peas are nothing but batani, and also mustard. Mustard is avalu. So these are the crops which are sown in winter season and harvested in the months of April and June, that is summer. So these crops are called as rabi crops. And there are other types of crops called zayed crops, which are not mentioned in your textbook, but I'm explaining them to you for your better understanding. So zayed crops are crops that are grown between that are grown in short season between this kharif crops and rabi crops. So the vegetables or fruits like watermelon, like puchakai, then cucumber, doskai, and bitter gourd, kakarkai. So these kind of vegetables or fruits come into this category of zayed crops. And there are a few other vegetables and fruits that are grown in winter season, like cabbage, cauliflower, turnips, radish, peas. These are examples of vegetables that are grown in winter season, while apples and oranges are the examples of fruits that are grown in winter season. And I hope you have understood about the different crops that are grown during different seasons, and you have understood the difference between kharif crops, rabi crops and zayed crops, and the other crops which are grown during summers and winters. And next we will learn about the different plants which need different type of soil for growing. So it is important for us to understand that different crops need different types of soil to grow. For example, crops like rice and jute, they grow in the soil which holds a lot of water, because they need lot of water to grow. So a soil which can hold lots of water is used to grow these crops like rice and jute. While millets like jowar and bajra, they grow well in sandy soils of Rajasthan where they do not hold much water, where the soil is usually dry. While wheat is grown in well irrigated soils of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. And you must have seen tea plants or tea crops that are grown in hilly regions of Karnataka, Darjeeling, Nilgiris, and also Assam. And coconut mainly grows in sandy soils, which is the type of soil present in coastal areas, as in Kerala and Goa. And that's it for today, children. In today's class, we have learned about different crops that are grown during different seasons, and also different crops that are grown in different types of soil. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.